Hello, and welcome back to Kitchen Counter Yoga. When last we met, we worked on Warrior One, standing at the kitchen counter, 1 foot back, 1 foot forward, lifting from your abdomen, opening your hamstring, sliding your shoulder blades down your back, and reaching to the heavens. So this time, we're going to work on another strengthening pose for your legs and your torso, Warrior Two. Facing your kitchen counter, deep breath in, and step your legs wide apart, facing the counter. Take your left leg, turn that out. Your toes are parallel to the kitchen counter. Take your back leg, turn your heel back a little bit. Your front heel is bisecting your back arch. Your legs are pretty much in line with the kitchen counter. Your hips are a little turned at an angle, and just turn your torso from your lower ribs, facing the kitchen counter. Deep breath in. You already feel a little stretch in this back leg, the same way we did with Warrior One. This front leg is also very strong. And we're going to work with this inner thigh. For Warrior Two, press through your back leg, wrap this front inner thigh over around the outer thigh, and come back up. Very easy. Wrap, and back up. Firm through your back leg, firm through your back heel into the floor. Wrap. Lift from your lower abdomen. Firm that back hip. You'll notice that my knee is pointing over my little toe, not my big toe. You don't want to have that knee roll in. Keep it firmly over your ankle. Lifting. Check your balance. If your balance is good, bring your hands to your chest. Open your arms straight out. Slide your shoulder blades down your back. And look out over your front palm. Warrior Two. Working like crazy through your legs, your hips, your lower abdomen, floating in your upper body. Very strengthening and releasing at the same time. Inhale, come up. And let's take it to the other side. Shake out your legs. Find where your legs have been working. Feel in particular that back hip. That's been supporting you through that whole pose. Take these legs wide again. Turn your left heel out, your right foot in. Front heel is bisecting the back arch. You're at a little bit of an angle to the kitchen counter. Keep your hips right at that angle. Turn your lower ribs so that you're facing the kitchen counter. Deep breath in. Lift that lower abdomen. Firm that back hip. Press that heel down into the floor. And wrap that inner thigh. Wrap that inner thigh out over bringing your knee out over your little toe. Lift again through your lower abdomen. Find the strength throughout your legs. If you're very stable, if you're very steady, take your arms to your chest. Open your arms wide. Slide your shoulder blades down your back. And turn and look over that front palm. The more you slide your shoulder blades down, the more freedom you have in your neck and head. So experiment with that. Lift your shoulders, slide them down, free up your neck, lift your abdomen, and turn and look. Inhale, come up. Hands back to the kitchen counter. Bring your legs back together. Roll up a time or two through your feet. Just give your feet a little relaxation, a little stretch. There we have it. Warrior Two. You now have 2 standing yoga poses under your belt, building strength day by day. Do a little bit every day. Don't try to do a lot. Don't try to conquer it all in one standing, but do a little bit. Practice, experiment. And I'll see you next time for Trikonasana, triangle pose. Namaste.